Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And the question I got asked just a little while ago is, what's the best way to get rid of spam in Gmail? And before I answer the question, hit that subscribe button because I have a whole lot more videos coming on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail, and I create these videos for you. So Google does a really good job of snagging spam. Now I'm simulating some spam here. I mean, these are spam messages that I'm simulating. And so again, Google does a really good job of grabbing spam because they get enough emails and they have the trends and they know what messages are spam and what aren't, or at least what looks like spam and what doesn't. But in order to get rid of them, it's really pretty easy that when they go in the spam folder, they'll go away in 30 days. Or I can just simply hit delete all spam messages and they'll get deleted. Now, if you got messages, let me put these back where I got them. If you got messages in your inbox and they are spam, then just mark them. Select it. You don't even need to open it. Just select it. Select the ones that you think that are all spam, and right there it is. Report spam. When you report spam, they go out of your inbox and automatically go into the spam folder. There they are. And if you leave them in there and let the system automatically delete them, then in time, the system will start realizing these people are spammers, and their future messages are more likely to show up in spam and automatically get deleted unless you delete them immediately. So to answer your question, the best way to get rid of spam messages is if you see a message you don't like, select it and mark it as spam and start teaching the system that these people are spammers. Another thing you could do is if you know that the email you get from a specific person on a regular basis is always spam, then you can create a filter right here, create a filter, all the emails from that email address. So create the filter, and when you create the filter, you can simply say skip the inbox, or actually more deliberately, delete it. Because they have no way to filter and automatically drive it into spam, but you can, at the very least, you can delete it, and then every message you get from that email address will automatically get deleted. Unfortunately, that would be a good filter to have, a filter that would automatically send it to spam instead of never send it to spam. In summary, the best way to get rid of spam is that when it goes to your spam folder, just let it get deleted in 30 days automatically. And if you get messages that you believe are spam or feel they're spam, then just go ahead and mark them as spam and let the system delete them for you. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful.